Greetings, MYB. It's Mr. Arcero, and it feels like a little while since I've come to you with a video. And now, after the rush of arrival and all the opening day details have settled in and we're getting into a groove here, we are excited to connect with families next week for our annual open house. So once again, next week, Tuesday, September 22nd, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., we'll be hosting our open house. Faculty will be here at the beach, but instead we will be streaming live, coming to you via Google Meet. In many respects, people have settled into a groove and gotten comfortable with that. If you do have questions, please reach out to your classroom teacher directly. What you can see here on the screen, besides Mr. Arcero apparently starting No Shave November early, is the format, which is pretty typical. It begins at 6 p.m. with a principal welcome in a pre-recorded session because I have so many folks, but I will be making some live opening remarks just because I miss not being in front of my parents as a group as a whole, followed by two sessions, 6:30 and 7:20. So for folks, families that have more than one kiddo, you can join either of the sessions, and you'll see listed below here as I scroll through the screen are all of the classroom teachers. You simply click the link at 6:30 or 7:20, and you can join their live session. Teachers will be giving a presentation and also provide an opportunity for a question and answer session. We have distance learning folks. We also have specialists that will be streaming their session as well. So again, art, computer science, library, and music will be presenting as well. Please make a note, Mr. Rich will not be in attendance that evening. I do have permission to share because he didn't want people to worry. Mr. Rich is having a surgery and he's going to be recovering well, but we wish him all the best. He's fine. So we're sending him some good mojo, and he wanted me to share that on his behalf. Again, in addition to the specialists, we have support staff, language support staff, reading and math intervention support staff. And that's the reason why we have two sessions. Even if you only have one child, please remember on this great big list, there's lots of people that are involved in your child's education. Please make time to visit them and pop in. Don't feel funny if you pop in even during a portion of their session. Remember, the faculty is here at Moses Y, and it can get pretty lonely on a Tuesday night just staring at the screen by themselves. So go show them some love. Pop in, visit, even if it's just to say hi and check in. I know that they would really appreciate that. And it's a great effort to show the value for all aspects of our kids' education, for multiple disciplines and across domains. So please do that. So once again, beginning at 6 p.m., with a recorded session that I will send out ahead of time on class tag as a link. I will have my link here for some question and answer, and I will re-explain the format again Tuesday night. So if you don't remember this, that's fine. Log into my link and I will start you off in the right direction. Once again, Tuesday, that's the 22nd, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We hope you can join us. We miss seeing you around the beach. Everybody have a fantastic weekend. As a footnote, thank you to all those folks that have reached out to myself and the faculty. It's very much appreciated. Have a great weekend, everybody.